To troubleshoot Monday.com items effectively. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand the basics of Monday.com, a work operating system that allows teams to manage projects and workflows. When an item is not functioning as expected, start by checking the item's settings and configuration. Ensure that all necessary fields are filled in and that the item is properly connected to relevant boards and workflows. Next, verify that the item's status and permissions are correctly set. Check if the item is in the correct group or board and if the user has the necessary permissions to view or edit the item. If the issue persists, check for any automation or integration errors. Review the automation recipes and integrations connected to the item to ensure they are correctly configured and not causing any conflicts. Another common issue is data inconsistencies. Check for any duplicate or outdated information and ensure that all data is up to date and accurate. If the problem is related to a specific feature or column, check the Monday.com knowledge base or support center for any known issues or limitations. To further troubleshoot, use Monday.com's built-in debugging tools, such as the audit log, to track changes and identify potential issues. Additionally, reach out to Monday.com's support team or community forums for assistance and guidance. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and effectively troubleshoot Monday.com items and get your workflows running smoothly. It is also essential to maintain a clean and organized account by regularly cleaning up unnecessary items, boards, and workflows. This will help prevent issues and make it easier to troubleshoot when problems arise. By being proactive and following these troubleshooting steps, you can ensure that your Monday.com account is running efficiently and effectively, allowing you to focus on your core business operations.